Today we will be looking at demo of the Lighting Pass and AOV widget available on the Unreal Marketplace. This tool replaces the movie render queue as an automated render tool, giving you all the options of the movie render queue in one easy-to-use widget. This tool also has the added feature of creating light passes and light-centric AOVs. Let's get into it. First thing we need to do is add our tool to the project. Search light in your vault. When you see the tool, click on Add to Project and select the project you want to add it to. The first thing you want to do is go to your plugins and turn on Movie Render Queue and additional render passes. This will prompt your Unreal Engine to restart. Once the project is reopened, go ahead and open the level and level sequence. Then go to the Render Passes widget folder. Right-click on the BP_AOV render widget and select Run Editor Utility widget. Now that our widget is open, you'll see a bunch of options. First, select your target level sequence you want to render. Under the Main tab, you'll see an option for render mode. Here you can select if you want to use the base render or render with path tracing. Remember, you must have hardware ray tracing turned on in order to render with path tracing. In the Advanced tab, you will see options for stencil layers. Refer to the Unreal Stencil Layer documentation for how stencil layers work. In the AOV section, you will see many options. The two main options are primary light groups and emissive. Primary is your main beauty render. Light groups are your split out lights renders. In order for this to work, you need add tags to your light actors. The tool will render the lights in groups based on your actor tags. As you can see, I have 2 suns and 2 lanterns. This is because I want these lights to render together. Emissive is for any emissive material in your scene. If this box is not checked, emissive will render in your light groups. In order for emissive to work, you must first tag any emissive source with emissive as seen here. Then you must go into your emissive material and add an emissive pass mult. In the output section, you will see typical options like output path, resolution, an EXR render option, overscan, and camera warm-up frames. The last option in output is OCO config. If you wish to use a OCO config, you can check the box, click under Advanced and add your config and options. If you do not wish to render with OCO, then keep the checkbox unchecked. Under quality, you will see your AA samples, overrides, and other quality options you may see in the movie render queue. Under Tech AOVs, you will see a list of included post-process materials. In this newest update, there is also an option to include custom AOVs from your own post-process materials. Under the last tab, Crypto IDs, you can select up to 3 different crypto matas to be included with your render. After you are done with your settings, hit render and the tool will take care of the render for you. Here in Nuke you can see all the renders. The primary render is your beauty pass. Under lights you will see all your lights, emissive and fog pass. The scene has no fog, so this will render empty. Under the Crypto ID folder you will see your 3 crypto matas. Each render with the selected option. Lastly, bringing in your Tech AOVs. Use a shuffle node to scroll through the different AOVs included in the render. That is how you use the Light Passes and AOV widget. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below. I hope this tool helps you with your next Unreal Engine project.